This dryer unit features both a knob display and touch screen for better operating menus. When you power on the unit, you'll be prompted with a reminder to clean the filter before use. Turn the knob to select one of the 10 default cycles. There are additional cycles preloaded on the machine which can be added to the default cycles. At the top of the knob display are 4 icons that light up to indicate when various functions are in use. They include a flow sense indicator, which illuminates when the flow sense detects blockages in the ductwork that reduce exhaust flow from the dryer. A Wi-Fi indicator that illuminates when the washer is connected to the LG ThinQ app. A remote start indicator, and a control lock indicator. The touchscreen to the right of the dial display contains the cycle modifiers, extra functions, and option buttons. Use the touchscreen to modify the cycle settings. Press the temp button to adjust the temperature for the selected cycle. Press the dry level button to adjust the dryness. Press the dry time button to adjust the dry time. As you make changes on the touch screen, you can see them reflected in the knob display. Press the low static button to reduce static. Press the steam button to add steam to certain dry cycles. Press the energy saver button to help reduce energy consumption. Press the Wrinkle Care button to periodically tumble dry for up to 3 hours after the cycle ends to help prevent wrinkles. Press the Options button and use the knob display to navigate through additional features and functions. Turn the remote start option on to start the dryer at any time from a mobile device using the LG ThinQ app. Use the Cycle List Edit option to edit cycles in the cycle list. Select cycles to remove, add, and save. The Additional Settings menu gives you access to even more features. Cycle Optimization automatically moves your most frequently used cycles to the top of the cycle list. Select Signal to change the volume of the dryer's notification sounds. Smart Diagnosis works in tandem with the LG ThinQ app to diagnose any problems you may have with your dryer. Once you have chosen the desired cycle, press Start to begin. Cancel a cycle, press Start, turn the knob, and select the checkmark to end the cycle.